Hello guys, welcome to another new video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourselves. Today we will trade again in US dollar versus Swiss franc. You must have seen the previous video. This is part 2 of that video, where we are growing small account. I am applying trade. See you in a while. Guys, our account is worth $1,392, which was $500 in the previous video. Let's see how much we can grow it. Right now we are running losses. Now let me tell you through analysis why I applied for buying trade, which we had a good profit if you look at the market on a large time frame. So from last 15 days strong uptrend is going on. Now again buying opportunity has been created whose benefit will definitely be received. If there is a loss in this trade, then we will go back to small account. Here I am opening time frame 30 minutes so that we can do analysis easily. Let us now create the trend channel. The market is currently following this trend line, which is a strong trend line. The market took last support on this trend line 2 days back. This trend line is only a short way away, but this trend line is only a short way off. Another trend line look with the same angle will be placed on a higher high point. The function of this trend line of ours is only to see how far the market can move up, from which we can guess that the market will reverse. In the previous video we took profit at this place, which is in the box. This will give you an idea. How is the market forming a pattern after closing our trade? Here our trend channel is working very well so that we can clearly see the higher high point. By looking at all these points, you can guess how the market will move in future so that we are prepared. The market is forming multiple support at this level, due to which this level of ours will be called strong support resistance level. The market is respecting this level since 7 days, where the market is repeatedly creating support resistance points. At this point, you can see that the market has created multiple resistance points where this level was respected in a very good way. At these points you can clearly see that the market has created multiple support resistance points. This gives us a signal that the market will go up from here, because here the market has taken support last time. We may see a good move to the upside. Guys, our analysis work is done. Now we have to set stop loss and target point. Without it we can't know where should we stop in the trade and where should we close the trade. Here my stop loss would be 18 pips down, which will be below the strong support resistance level, but the trend will be inside the channel because the trend line is a bit far from our trade, hence the stop loss is kept small. And my target point would be 36 pips up, where the market has already made a higher high. Above this level we are likely to see a new higher high. Guys, now our loss has come down a bit. Let's see what the future holds for us. We have to accept whatever result we get. I am applying stop loss and target point. All our work is completed. Now we have to sit quietly and wait for the result. We have tried our best to draw all the levels correctly. We are using the same strategy here which was done in the previous video. If you like the video, then like it. So I try to upload more videos. If the market turns down again, our stop loss will be hit. Let's meet guys after a while. Let's see what is the result of our market analysis.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it though. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove.
Guys, we got a great move again. What we expected, our target has been hit, which was 36 pips up. This target of ours was soon achieved. The market respected our setup. The market went up from where we applied for the trade. Guys, where the market is now, it came to that level earlier also, but from this level reverse, you will understand it better than the rectangle tool. Market can take resistance at this level, because earlier also we have created multiple resistance points at this level, because this level can be the strong support resistance level in history. So this level is very important for us. Here the market can break this level and move upwards, because market trend is strong uptrend. If this does not happen, then it will reverse outside the same level. Two conditions are applying here. From this you can learn how the market moves. Let's close the trade now. Guys, our profit is running around $2,117 here. We have grown our account from $500 to $3,500. Here we used proper risk management and psychology. If you enjoy this video, then please like it, subscribe if you are new to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, always keep learning, keep moving forward.